What the hell has happened to that? Hello everybody,
Hello.
Hope you are well. Welcome to our kitchen and another kitchen hack testing video. Oh, I've got my cardboard cut out. Hang on. Welcome to our kitchen. Today we're doing another kitchen hack testing video, the playlist in which we test viral kitchen hacks from around the internet, some that we found, and generally now more ones that you guys have sent us to kind of put them to the test so that you don't have to, but in some cases they're pretty good, right?
Yeah, some they are. The last video's ones that you chose were
Thank you.
fairly good.
Yeah, for a change. Normally Mrs. B's like are amazing, and today is actually Mrs. B's turn, so I have no idea what these are going to be.
The first one,
Have you ever been in the situation when?
you want to make a special dessert really quick?
Yes. Yes?
Okay, so this one's in two parts.
Right.
Okay, so the first part we need to do with an ice cube tray and then put it in the fridge for a bit. Not the
Just the tray?
No, I realised what I said there. We need to fill it with some white chocolate and some cream.
Let's do it. So we've got an ice cube tray then,
Yeah,
and a bowl.
See, the thing with some of these hacks that I found, it's great. They show you the video of what to do,
Yeah.
but never the quantities of how much.
So you just got to wing it.
I kind of feel if it goes wrong, that's why.
Very nice.
They said heavy cream. That's the same as double cream,
Yep.
right? Good for you.
Yep.
So I'm going to melt that in the microwave.
Okay. How long for just, we need to stir it, 30 second blast? Alright.
I'm going to mix it.
Yeah. So the chocolate is melting in.
So now we're just going to pour this into the ice cube tray.
Okay.
So...
I mean, cream and white chocolate. And we're not freezing this, we're just chilling it in the fridge.
Chilling it till it's set. And then we'll do the other bit to it at the end, yeah?
Nice. In it goes next to the falafel.
So the next one is the one Phoebe found for us.
Oh, lovely tweenager.
Yes. So have you ever been in the situation where you've got like corn on the cob, but you don't want to eat it on the cob, you want just loose bits of sweet corn? This is an easy hack to get the corn off.
Okay.
So first we need to cook it then.
Is that why we've got a pan of water boiling?
So I've got a pan of water boiling. We're going to cook
Sweet.
it up
Yeah.
and then
We can have our individual corn.
our corn.
Tins of sweet corn are available from most supermarkets.
Okay, so while that's cooking, the next one. Have you ever been in a situation where you're trying to scoop flour out using a spoon and it's just going everywhere? Yes, so yes.
Yes, actually I am. Yeah, I mean...
Or maybe you've not got a spoon, but you've got a whisk to hand.
Oh,
Okay?
where did that whisk come from?
What's that on the side?
You're just like a magician. I didn't see that.
prepared.
Oh, really?
No, I had it all out.
This? Okay.
Right, ready? So, apparently you can just scoop it up. That's not what it looked like on the video. Go on, you try.
Oh, I don't know.
isn't
I feel
working.
like the only way it'll work is if you literally go right down
Yeah.
and then lift it up really slowly and keep it steady.
Oh, yes, you're right.
Well, I'm half right. Look, it's a little bit. Yeah, straight down and then nice and steady lift up.
This was too big.
Is that whisk? Is
The
that...
holes are too big.
Right, okay.
Oh, you were right. Look.
Wow.
That's how you do it.
We just sort of looked and were like, hang on, we've got to put it back in, so we're going
Yeah.
to try the opposite.
No.
No. It's great for getting it out, but then you get flour out, you don't really want to put it back, so...
You can't beat a trusty spoon. Right, the corn is done. Next.
The corn is done. I love it. It smells... Ah, corn's amazing, isn't it?
We need cookie
Like,
cutters.
it gives you popcorn,
Sorry.
cornflakes.
We need cookie cutters next.
Yeah. Cue next scene. Mrs. B is rummaging through our cookie cutters because it's quite clear that even the one here, I think I know what we're going to do. We're going to push this cookie cutter down and it should shed off individual chunks of corn.
Correct.
But it ain't. In this tin, right, we've got a load of small shaped ones, like a triangle. But they... Are you okay? It's not doing it?
Maybe
Oh, crikey.
Maybe you start at the bigger end.
Oh yeah, twist it. There you go.
See?
Oh wow, that is coming off.
Maybe we should have done it over a bowl. But yeah, look.
Because I had a backup idea with your favourite gadget from the other day. Look, should we try this with an apple corer?
Go on then.
You go like that.
Yeah. Watch your fingers. Oh yeah, that works. Oh, wow, that's a good one.
Did we just invent another hack?
Oh, we did.
But this is quite a good one because you can sort of let it open up as it goes.
As it goes down.
Yeah.
That's a brilliant idea.
That's quite nice.
This is Phoebe's one. We do like it.
We love it, Phoebe.
No, it is a good one. Have you ever been in a situation where you want to do poached eggs and they never come out perfect, like perfectly round?
Yeah, sometimes.
Yeah?
Yes.
Okay, so I'm going to show you a way to cook the perfect poached egg. Put some
Oh my gosh,
white
that smells
vinegar.
strong. Woo!
Now, we're going to
Also
crack
peeling them.
the eggs straight into the pan.
What, in the vinegar?
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah.
So,
What the heck?
so now you pour on.
This is boiling water. Oh my gosh, that is boiling water.
Okay.
I need to put my head on that kettle.
So look, now it's hitting the eggs at the same time. Like just a poach for 5 minutes.
Yeah.
And then we bring it to the boil and then we should have perfectly eggs, but that didn't look like it worked.
No, it didn't. I just saw the egg white go.
It wasn't meant to. It was all meant to stay as one.
We have more eggs.
Yeah.
We have more vinegar. Well, let's see what happens. Give it 5 minutes. I believe that the vinegar is going to hold it together and the water level is going to bring it up to start cooking it and keep it a nice consistent shape. Whereas you just got crazy and went with the boiling water. Is that right?
That's what you meant to do. That's what the videos showed me.
But sometimes the videos that we have to be finding on previous hacks videos don't help us. I'm just trying to help you.
Sometimes people lie.
Mrs. B's just popped off to the bog, or the powder room, the rest room, the toilet, the lavatory, whatever you want to call it. I'm having a quick little look, and it stinks of vinegar. Woo! Clears the nostril hair. The water's murky, so you can't really see what's going on.
I think I did it wrong.
Let's have a look. Take the lid off, Mrs. B. Now what? Just let it boil for 5 minutes.
You let it boil and then you scoop them out. That's not a perfect looking poached egg, is it?
I think we try it again with a bit more vinegar and a careful rise of the warm water.
Look, this one's perfect.
Oh, is it?
Might be a bit. Shall I see if it's runny?
Yeah?
No, it's not. It's too hard. Cooked it for too long. It's still passable.
Yeah, I've had worse in a cafe. Right, kettle's just boiled. And we have got 2 eggs that are quite clearly that size. So I'm going to aim the water slowly. Is this alright, Mrs. B, if I have a go at this?
Yeah.
And I'm just going to try and bring the water level up.
Oh look, you're not spoiling the whites.
Yeah, that's what I was thinking. You know, that's going to get it cooking, isn't it?
Yeah, because the idea is that the hot water hits the whites at the same time.
Right.
So
well,
look.
they look a lot neater.
Wow, I think. Look at that. That looks like that's a solid yolk.
Oh, it's like a table tennis ball. Being the inquisitive person that I am, I still want to taste maybe just the egg white. Is that okay? Oh my gosh, it tastes like a swimming pool. You know that thing when you go to a swimming pool and you get chlorine up your nose? I've got that right now. Oh, and it's the texture of a rubber band. I am legit, I have never had an egg white like that before. What the hell has happened to that?
Overcooked poached egg?
Honestly, that's like a rubber band. I'm not trying to sell it. You don't want to eat it. Do you want to try it?
No, thanks.
Oh, you know, when you go in the water and I get that nasal. Oh, wow, okay. Oh, bodes well for these, doesn't it?
I think we take the lid off.
Oh, you do?
Look at that.
Oh, wow. Yeah, but is this where it's going to foam up? Or, oh no.
We just bring it to the boil.
And that's going to stop it going all cloudy and all that, isn't it? And all the foam, because it's all,
Yeah,
the
it's
egg
all
white's
set.
set.
The minute it hits the boil, I'm going to scoop them out and we should have 2 perfectly poached eggs.
All right, what's the worst that could happen? Well, I think we've already
I
experienced
think we've
that.
done that.
Oh, there we go. That's a good shape on that.
Look at that.
All right.
1.
All right, that's all right, isn't it?
Oh.
Oh.
Yes.
So in summary, vinegar in the pan, crack the eggs that are chilled so they hold their shape a bit better and the yolk holds firm, and slowly pour the water, the boiled water, lid on for 5 minutes, bring it as soon as it hits a simmer. That was when we got it out. Not even an aggressive boil, just a simmer, okay? And how is that egg white?
Nice.
Is it? Yeah, it's actually way better. Like, that is an egg white. And yeah, is there any more?
What?
Hacks, the video we're doing.
We meant eggs. Fancy a coffee break?
Yeah.
So this is a hack to take the bitterness out of coffee.
Right. Okay, you just put milk in.
No, you don't.
Commence coffee making. We're humble. We like instant coffee. No flashy coffee machine for us. So you've just literally made a coffee. How do we make this less bitter?
Add some salt.
Salt? You're gonna assault my coffee?
I am going to assault your coffee.
Hang on. Well, can I taste it before?
Yeah.
Do you want 2 sugars, mate? No, just some salt,
please. Right, you going to try it?
I am.
Okay.
Have you seen like the tea testers? They sort of there was a TV show and they sort of go.
Yeah.
Oh, that is actually really bitter.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Right. Ready?
I mean, I just don't like black coffee, but that is actually. Did you put something in there?
No, it's just instant coffee and water.
And are you sure that's the salt one and not the pepper?
Yeah.
You sure? Okay, nice one.
Right, ready? I'm not sure how much.
You're not sure how much?
No, it doesn't say how much.
Oh, that's so weird. Not only putting the salt in, but just seeing it come out of the bottom of a foot.
Right, now try that.
Oh my gosh.
Does it taste different?
Yeah, that has actually worked.
Does it work?
Yeah.
Hey! Oh my gosh.
That's crazy.
Yeah. That tastes completely different.
It really does. That is bonkers. Like, I feel like I want to put salt in your coffee every morning. There's not a line I thought I'd be saying.
But what's worse for you? Putting sugar in your coffee or putting salt in your coffee?
Or giving your wife a decaf. We'll find out. What happened to Barry? He doesn't do videos anymore. Barry's gone now. It has made it so mild. The flavour is still there, but it's taken like the edge off it. That's a good one.
Yes, I got a good
It's
one.
a hack dance. Right, so don't forget, next time someone asks for a coffee, you want milk and sugar? Yes, milk, sugar and salt, please. Alright, last one then, Mrs. B.
So, have you ever needed to like make some fancy chocolate art?
Yeah?
Yeah, and not had like a piping bag or anything to hand?
Okay, yeah, sometimes I'd use a Ziploc bag and snip the end off or something,
Yeah.
but then you kind of lack of control.
It's a bit faffy, isn't it?
Yeah. Yeah, it is, yes.
Okay, so I'm going to show you how to make chocolate art
Right.
without that.
With your mountain of chocolate bar. Why have you bought so much chocolate? It's like 5 bars.
Yeah.
You are not putting the chocolate in there, are you?
Yeah.
What?
Ready? I got some tongs, although holding them on there's not going to be any
tongs. Right.
Watch out. Right, you lower it in.
Oh my gosh. I think I know what you're doing. Because the chocolate packaging is sealed. You do it at home. It's going to melt the chocolate in there like a little bag.
Yes, and then you just... I'll show you what we do next.
I know what we're going to do. Actually, as Mrs. B's holding those tongs, a little bit of an exclusive. My next kit that's coming out, like the veggie prep kit, is going to be a kitchen starter kit. Like basic stuff in there. And tongs will be in there with some other basic stuff. So keep an eye out for announcement soon. Oh, look at that!
Snip a tiny corner off of this.
Yeah.
Okay, and then like a piping bag.
Yep. And it's Oh yeah, look at that! What are you doing? You're doing calligraphy, Mrs. B.
Yeah.
I didn't realise you were classically trained. I don't know what she's put in for you guys to see from there, but it looks like hello from my end.
Hello.
Oh, hello! Yeah.
Hello!
Hey!
We could do something smaller and make it for like a cake decoration or something.
So you can let that set in the fridge and then stick it as a little cake stand. Seal, hello.
So I've seen another hack that you can do with melted chocolate. Like
Another
this.
hack?
Yeah.
Mrs. B, you're spoiling us.
So I've got cold water, okay, and apparently if you then were to squeeze it into here.
You've made a poo emoji. I'm sorry. What are you doing?
No, apparently.
You should never put chocolate and water together. It seizes, doesn't it?
Yes, that's the idea. Apparently it sets and you have some funky cake decoration.
Well, let's see. We've got a little muffin over there in the corner. Maybe we just stick that on that. Okay. Ah!
You made a hole too big. Is It's only meant to be a little hole. Now we've done a poo emoji.
Come on. Look at that. You've been running through the drains or something. It's like a mop top Play-Doh thing.
Yeah.
But it is pure chocolate, right? So it's wet chocolate. Ugh. Oh, I'm putting it in the fridge. It's horrible. I've stuck it in the fridge, and actually, isn't that where we need to go back for your last hack?
We do. Last one.
The
Fancy dessert.
From an ice cube tray.
No, we need to add. That's just part of it. We add something else. Though that goes into something else.
For some context, these were supposed to go in the fridge and just set.
Yeah. Didn't state how long.
The last scene, we put these in the freezer. So we've been out for a walk for about an hour and a half and come back, and I mean, you could let them firm up completely overnight, but it is popping out now.
Yeah, and I think it will still work, what we need to do.
Really?
Yeah.
You just use that one?
Yes.
And then keep these for something else?
Yes. Let's do that.
For other context, folks, look when we came back, check the fridge.
I made some dreadlocks.
Yeah, yeah. What's happened to your chocolate? It's kind of, some of it's set.
Like snake hair.
Yeah, but that's what happens when it seizes that sort of colour. I like that, there's like a little snake tail on it.
What it's going to be is a mug cake.
Yeah, a mug cake.
Mug with...
I've just seen this out of the corner of my eye. How lazy is that? They do actual instant mug cake packs now.
So this is to make a melt in the middle mug cake.
Okay.
So you pour your cake mixture in.
Yeah, alright. Okay. This is the packet mix. You just literally have that. Sometimes the cake mixes have eggs, but this is just purely 3 tablespoons of milk, it says.
Yeah, it does. So then you give it a mix. So now, you just push it in. Okay,
so it's completely submerged.
Yep.
Right. Oh, is it like a molten lava mug cake?
Yeah. You melt in the middle.
Okay.
And now we just put it in the microwave.
Alright, ready? Has it exploded? Oh, here we go. That's going to drop. Oh, it's come out. Here we go. Oh. Oh my gosh. See if we get a molten explosion or if it's all just seeped into. Oh. Oh no, look, it's all seeped to the bottom. It's alright.
It should have been properly frozen.
Yeah, we can do that as a bonus scene later. Okay. Should we try and do that later? Yeah. We got about 3 cake mixes. We'll add that to a bonus scene at the end of the video. Is that all the hacks?
That's it. Not my best hour.
Not your best?
No.
Although the salt in the coffee was really good. Well, alright, I think we'll end the video here. Thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to put on your sweatband now. Check out the rest of the Kitchen Hacks videos here on the channel. And we will do a bonus scene now of a frozen one. Let it go! And see if that works, right?
We will.
Bye.
Bye.
Check your level, player. No matter what your style, the kitchen's for me. Simon's moustache, goatee, maybe all 3.
Oh, that is so cold now. Hopefully this will work. Oh, look, a blob of butter. There we go. 1 minute.
1 minute. It's gonna have to hold it, I reckon. Here it goes, here it goes, here it goes.
That looks amazing. Right, let's see, let's see. Oh, there's a teeny little bit, it's there.
There you go, it is there.
Yeah, sort of.
It was just to one side a little bit.
It's got a molten bottom.
Oh.
Good hacks, Mrs. B.
Thank you.
Thanks, guys. See you soon.